In this video, I'll show you how to create repeating tags Google Calendar. So come on here, type in calendar, the second option. So let me say I want to select a date. I want to select 1st of June. So I'm going to select 1st June. I want to select 1 p.m. So I'm going to tap on this. It's going to come out. So the new event, I can just type in travel to Europe. Yeah. So scroll down, you'd see repeat. So tap on the option. You'd see you can be able to get this notification every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or every year. So let me say if I would love to travel to Europe, I can be able to add up this notification every year. So every 1st of May, I'm going to get the notification to repeat this tax. So I'm going to tap on every year. So you can be able to come on here. You can select this location as well. You can select the time it will start and the time it will stop. You get. So you can be able to add up some note as well, add up some URL, tap the reminder. You can be able to add up reminder for this. You get. So you can see right here, the tax is going to repeat yearly. You get. So if you tap on this add, I can be able to add up this tax option on my Google Calendar. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.